NFTs. Why is everyone going so crazy about them? What even are they? And most importantly, why are they so valuable? Today, we're going to unwind everything related to NFTs. So as always, let's get straight to it. To begin with, NFT stands for non-fungible token. And to understand this, we kind of need to understand what the word fungible means. Fungibility is the word used to describe something that's interchangeable with one another. So a £10 note that I might have is the exact same thing as another £10 note, and that's because they can just be interchangeable with one another. Commodities, shares and dollar bills are all examples of something that is fungible. Assets like diamonds, land or even Pokemon cards, however, are not fungible, and that's because they have qualities that kind of add or subtract value from it. So the question is, so what? Why does it matter if something is fungible or non-fungible? Well, one of the issues, especially in the art and digital art world, was that so many artists were creating amazing pieces of artwork, but were just getting no credit for it. It was so easy to just right-click and save and boom, now you have your own piece of art. There was no way of proving who the actual owner was. There was lots of issues with fakes, replicas and copyright infringements. And now, NFTs solves this issue. You see, NFTs aren't actually pieces of digital art. Rather, they're essentially digital certificates of authenticity that are supported with an underlying piece of content. This digital certificate is stored on a database called a blockchain, and that's the technology behind some of our favorite cryptocurrencies like Ethereum. One of the main benefits of having something like a digital collectible like an NFT rather than a physical thing like a Pokemon card is that NFTs have distinguishable information that kind of helps you to prove authenticity. So where are these NFTs actually being used? There's lots of different industries that I think NFTs will play a crucial part of, so let's just talk about a few of them. NFTs and collectibles go hand in hand, and we've seen dozens of successful series come out in the past year or two. We've seen CryptoPunks reach a 100 Ethereum floor, and we've seen the rise of the Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, and even smaller series like the Wicked Craniums, who may have a special treat for you if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Who doesn't like the idea of NFTs and freebies? These collectibles offer memberships to the NFT holders, who form tight communities in which they offer various different perks. These can range from private groups to social media platforms to merchandise to free airdrops, weekly and monthly events, derivatives, and of course an amazing opportunity to network. I'll definitely have a few videos about some of these specific communities and what they kind of offer in the future, so if you like the idea of that, drop a comment down below if there's any specific series you want me to cover. As you can imagine, the art world, and especially the digital art world, have loved NFTs, and there have been some amazing artworks and pieces created by some of the world's most famous artists. Beeple has made artwork that's sold for ridiculous sums of money, and even art pieces like the Fidenza has sold for 1,000 Ethereum, which in US dollars is about $4 million. NFTs in gaming, in my opinion, is only just getting started. We've seen games like Decentraland and Sandbox create opportunities where people can go in, buy land, which itself is an NFT, and then build infrastructure and buildings on top of that. Big companies have been buying this up like no tomorrow, and that's because they realize the true potential of things like augmented reality, VR, and of course the metaverse. There's a gambling company from the UK that recently built a casino in one of these games, and they're making a killing now because essentially they can run this casino 24/7 without any operational costs, and people can go in the game and obviously use their cryptocurrencies and virtual currencies to essentially gamble in these games. This is only the tip of the iceberg. I think NFTs and gaming will work really well together. There's lots of potential, and you can find lots of projects, lots of companies working with these two industries together with a simple Google search. Property, logistics, and even tickets to your favorite sports and music events will all be in NFT form in the near future. There's hundreds of potential use cases for NFTs in the real world, and I could go on and on and on about them for hours and hours. So I'll save that for another video, but make sure you smash the like button if you're enjoying this one. So how can you yourself go ahead and buy one of these NFTs? The first thing you'll need is a wallet, something to essentially hold your NFT in. You'll also need something to pay for the NFT, and currently about 90% of all NFTs are on Ethereum, so you probably will need some ETH in your wallet as well. There are NFTs on other blockchains like Harmony, Matic, Solana, and now even Cardano, but Ethereum is where most of the activity happens, and that's where you want to be. You can get a wallet from somewhere like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. There's plenty of options to choose from, but from my experience, MetaMask seems to be the most popular and the most easiest to use. All you need to do is go onto Google, type in MetaMask and download the application. You can use the Chrome extension as well if that's what you prefer, and essentially you just need to follow the steps and create an account. You'll have something called a seed phrase, and that's essentially a number of different words specific to your account that you will use in case you ever forget your password or need to recover your account on a different computer. Whatever you do, don't ever forget that. Write it down, keep it somewhere super safe, because that's the only way you'll ever be able to recover your account. Once you've got your wallet set up, you'll need to put some Ethereum in there. There's lots of guides on YouTube on how to do so. If you guys are interested, I could make a video about that in the future, but I think most of you guys watching will probably know how to do this already. You've got your wallet, you've got your Ethereum, you're ready to go. Now, NFTs, where can you buy them from? There's lots of different marketplaces, and the main one that most people use nowadays is called OpenSea. Once you're on the platform, you'll find that there's millions of NFTs, and that's because people can just create them in a matter of seconds. They're very easy to make. You have to be very careful with buying NFTs because you need to do the research beforehand. You need to know exactly what it is you're getting. Most of the NFTs on OpenSea are pretty much worthless and will be worthless in the future. Only very few projects will survive and basically, survive the test of time. So you have to know what it is you're buying and why you're buying it. Of course, this video is just purely educational, but you have to remember that NFTs are very speculative. They're very new, and no one really knows what the price of these things will be in the future. Once you've found an NFT you like, it's as simple as just putting an offer in or just clicking buy now and paying the associated transaction fees, which currently on Ethereum aren't the nicest, but on other blockchains like Harmony are pretty much almost zero. After a few seconds, the NFT will usually get transferred into your wallet, and there you go. You've successfully bought your first ever NFT. From my personal experience, it's a great feeling buying an NFT, and especially if you buy one that comes with great utility. Once you start using the NFT, you'll enjoy it even more. Now in my next NFT video, I'm going to show you some of these specific projects and show you kind of what perks you get when you buy one of these NFTs. I'm going to try and show you it in a non-biased way to try and show you some of the pros and cons of some of these series. The thing is, this NFT space is just growing so fast, it's so hard to keep up with what's coming out and what the latest trends are. But if you're subscribed to the channel, I have no doubt I can show you lots of cool things and lots of ways to potentially make some profit. So that's a little intro to NFTs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We've just hit 1,000, so a very nice achievement. And I've got something special planned for you guys very soon. As always, I'll be back with another video soon.